Hello, welcome to Coding Solution.
In this video, we will write a simple Hello World program. But before that, we will understand what is function.
As this is the basic of C programming, we will use a simple math equation to understand this. Suppose we write y equal to 10x. It means if value of x is 5, value of y will be 50. Can I say y is a function of x? Meaning y changes as x changes. Let me erase this. Can I write y equal to f of x, where f of x equal to 10x? If I use a value 5 again, f of x will evaluate to 50 and my end result remains same, y equal to 50. What is the advantage if I write it in this form? If tomorrow someone changes f of x to something else, like 20x plus 5 by 2x minus 7x, your y equal to f of x still remains same. Means you need not change this piece of code. If this didn't make sense to you, let us understand the same concept with an coding example. In programming, the basic syntax of a function is return type, function name, argument, open braces, close braces. In between you have to write your piece of code. Let's use our previous example. Return type will be int, function name will be f, argument will be int x, open braces, close braces, and return 10 into x. If at this point of time you are not able to understand what is return type and what is argument list, don't worry about this. During function topic we will cover this in details. Now if I write y equal to f of 10, 10 will be passed to function f, then the expression 10 into x will be evaluated, then we will get our output as 100. I hope now it would be making sense to you what exactly a function is. Let's see one more example. Int main, open braces, printf coding solution, return 0, close braces. Here printf is a function which is defined into some library called standard input output insert stdio. To use that library function, we have to include a header file called stdio.h. Now this function printf is used for printing on console. Whatever argument you will write it in this printf function, it will simply put it on console. We will see it happening when we write the code. When you run this program, your first statement that will be executed is printf, because your program always starts from main function. The next question you might have is, why do we need main? Why can't we write our function without main? Let's understand this with an example. In our previous example, f of x is equal to 20x plus 5 by 2x minus 7x and y equal to f of x. If we want to know the value of y, we must evaluate what is f of x. It means first f of x should be evaluated and then y equal to f of x should be evaluated. Okay, so this is the reason we always have a starting point. One more question you might get is, can we write our program without main? And the answer is yes. We will see it in next video. Now as you are familiar with basic syntax of C programming, let's write a hello world program. We will use a basic HackerRank problem. This problem requires you an understanding of scanf function as well. Scanf function is used to read input from the console. For now you can treat it as opposite of printf. Printf prints something on console and scanf reads from the console. So the problem says you have to read a string from console and then you have to print hello world followed by that string. I'll provide you the link of this problem in the description. Okay, so let's start. We will start with int main, open braces, close braces. Then we have to print hello world. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it works fine. Now we have to read input from console. So we will declare one character array in str of size 64. Then we will do scanf s of that string. Now we will just print that string as well. Oh, there is a build failure. Okay, there is a build failure. It says scanf is unsafe to use. Consider using scanf underscore s. So there are two ways to solve this problem. The first method is you just define this macro crt secure no warning. Okay, there still seems to be a problem. Okay, this macro should be defined on top. Now it works fine. The second method is you use the secure function scanf underscore s. Okay, so we are done with the hello world program. Now one challenge for you. How do you read an input using scanf until you find a new line character? Just for clarification, let's copy this code here. Let's run this and enter coding solution. Wait just a second. We will just disable this scanf and printf. Now let's run it and enter coding solution. The output is coding. Solution is missing. Why is this? Because scanf doesn't read further once a space is encountered. So now you have to make it read further even if it finds a space, and it should only stop when it finds a new line character. Okay, that's it in this video. Please like, subscribe and share. See you in the next one.